is James, and your senior cabin crew member on this short flight to London Heathrow Terminal 5. A special welcome to those of you returning from my executive club and those of you joining from our Worldwide Alliance partners. I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated, as items may have moved during departure, may fall causing injury. When opening the overhead knuckles, also take care. If you'd like to connect to join the BA Wi-Fi network this morning, please visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note PM phone calls are not permitted at any time. Should the seatbelt signs are switched off, in-seat power will be available. We will about shortly start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like any information on specific allergens on this morning's flight, please contact any member of my team. Well, for those of you sat in the club cabin, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks. And in the yawn traveller cabin, we'll be offering you a bottle of water and a snack. This will be followed by pre-purchased items from the Speedbird Cafe. We now invite you to make yourself home and enjoy hospitality. If there's anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask.